we had a chance to take a trip to Ukraine,
Mm-hmm.
and which is, right now is the whole world is talking about Ukraine. And for me, it's really sensitive because during that time, the Soviet Union had just, in the last decade and a half, had crumbled.
Mm-hmm.
And the consequence of that was that there was hundreds of thousands of children that were left homeless.
Yep.
And that was really a result of alcoholism and just the poverty that ensued,
Mm-hmm.
a battle between communism and democracy. And when we saw that, there was a real opportunity to make a difference.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember I kind of thoughtlessly at one point said, I think somebody needs to build some orphanages.
Yeah.
And that stray comment turned into, I think we could build some orphanages.
Mm-hmm.
And that turned into a partnership with other people in Ukraine. And over the next 5 years, we built 28 homes
Yep.
for abandoned children. And thousands of kids, tens of thousands now, have grown up in beautiful homes. And
Mm-hmm.
they've had as good of an education as anybody can have. Some of them become doctors and lawyers and preachers and engineers and everything you can imagine, with families of their own. And all of that happened because the work that we did,
Mm-hmm.
the manufacturing and design of smart connected solutions, not only had the impact of enriching the people that built it, but changing the world and changing the lives of people as far away as Eastern Europe.